Hi, we're the Richardsons. I'm Anita.
And I'm Steve, and we are from the Wirral in the UK. Now we're here to talk about CFX. So the thing is, I started on a $1,000 pack in April 2021, and that led beautifully to Nita joining on a
$3,000 pack.
Yep.
About a week later. And literally, we have never looked back, have we?
No, it's been absolutely phenomenal. The last 6 months has been off the hook. It really has.
Yeah. So talk about mind-blowing. If you want a mind-blowing experience, join CFX. So we joined originally to be passive. We were going to sit back and let the traders trade on our behalf and let the results just come in, week out. And we were just going to say thank you very much. And, you know, we go and spend our money at a later date once the packs are built up.
And there's no right or wrong way, guys, to do this. You know, you can do that. A lot of people do that.
Yeah. However, we got so excited when we started seeing our results coming in that we naturally started sharing this with other people. And I think that whole excitement and that energy vibe that came from us talking about our results rubbed off on the people we were chatting to, and they all just started to join. And before we knew it, my account had just grown and grown and grown, and within 6 months I have managed to now upgrade to the 70,000 pack, which is just phenomenal.
And the returns on 70,000 and the 100,000,
it's a lot.
It's unbelievable. So this is what it's all about, guys, is getting to the later packs if you can, isn't it?
And Steve's account has obviously benefited because I joined underneath Steve, because mine has been like the worker bee account, and we've been bringing people into that account. Steve has benefited. He has been passive with his account, but he's had all those commissions coming through to his account beautifully, and he's now on the $15,000 pack. And it's just, the two working side by side are just brilliant. So if you had to give anybody any advice on joining CFX, what would you say?
Just do it. Just don't feel the fear, or feel the fear and do it anyway. You know, you've got nothing to lose, have you? You're getting no returns in your bank or your savings accounts whatsoever. I know I haven't. You know, I put a little bit of my pension money in at the start, which was the $1,000, only a small amount. And obviously, you know, you've just got to... You wouldn't
have got those returns, would you, on your pension? Not in 6 months.
Absolutely no chance getting these returns. So, yeah, the thing is, just do it. That's all we can say.
Yeah, because you're not having to do this. You don't have to work at it.
No.
You can be passive. And that's the beauty of having the two of us doing this. One's passive and one's the working account. So we've got the best of both worlds.
Although having said that, at a later date, maybe mine will be a worker account as well. You just never know. So keep an open mind. I think that's the thing to go for. And then once you're in it, aren't you? You're in it to win it. And you can only do that. And then obviously, guys like us and others, we're here to help you as well along the way.
And that's the beauty of this. There is such a strong community here. You are never left on your own. You've got a real team of people who are willing to help you every step of the way. And that's why Joe Blogs, normal, regular person, can join this, because you don't need any experience whatsoever. You've got people here who can help guide you and answer any questions you've got. And it's totally set up for normal, regular family person to come in and make a success of this.
Yeah, so just trust your instinct. You know.
Go for it.
Exactly. That's the thing to do.
Okay, guys, we'll leave that with you, and we'll see you soon.